If you've been wondering how to delete your transaction history on Cash App, you're not alone. It's one of the most searched questions out there. In this quick video, I'll explain exactly what you can and can't do when it comes to clearing your Cash App history, and I'll walk you through the only real way to wipe your transactions if you truly need a clean slate. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, let's clear up the biggest misconception. You cannot delete individual transactions on Cash App. Every payment, transfer, or deposit you make is permanently recorded and visible in your history. There's simply no delete button like you might expect. So what's the workaround? The only way to erase your history is by deleting your entire Cash App account and creating a brand new one. But before you rush to do this, there are a few important steps you must take. Clear your balances. Make sure you cash out any money left in your account, sell or transfer any stocks, and withdraw or send out your Bitcoin. Your balance must be completely zeroed out. Go to your profile by tapping the icon in the top right corner of the app. Navigate to Support. Choose Something Else, then Account Settings. Scroll down and tap. Close your Cash App account, follow the prompts, and once your account is closed, you can sign up for a new one. Be aware that deleting your account will deactivate your Cash Card and give you a brand new Bitcoin address, so make sure you're okay with starting fresh before confirming. And that's it. While you can't remove individual transactions, starting over with a new account is the only way to completely clear your history. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Cash App tips. You'll also find other helpful guides linked in the description below.